Alice Invaders was born from the willingness to explore the collaboration between human and robots. We have developed a project with the aim of unifying different types of interaction in a cooperative environment.
The project is inspired by the arcade game Space Invaders. The difference between Space Invaders and Alice Invaders is that the user receives the help of a robot with artificial intelligence to get over the level.
There are two crafts. One is controlled by the player and the other is the robot. The aim of the game is to destroy all the invaders before the player runs out of lives. The user drives the craft with the Kinect device through corporal gestures, and can also shoot and protect himself.
The other craft is LS Maker Robot, a robot developed by La Salle Engineering School. LS Maker is a programmable robot with two motors, 4 wheels, an accelerometer, and USB connection and a wireless controller.
We use a blue pattern to make the tracking with digital image processing. Using a webcam, we capture images of the robot. By this way, we know the position of the robot and we can project the spacecraft on it.
We have endowed the robot with a specific behavior that helps the user to win the game in a collaborative way. The robot protects the user in extreme situations by approaching him and shooting the invaders.
On the other hand, the robot detects when it is in danger and escapes from the bullets of the invaders. With this interaction, the way of playing has changed. The game becomes easier with the help of the robot, who participates as one more player following the 3 laws of robotics.
This collaborative interaction could be developed in areas beyond entertainment. The way the robot acts, without being controlled, acting by himself and helping the user to make a task, could be useful in many other contexts.
The project we have developed is just a little demonstration of possible applications in which autonomous robots co-work in a collaborative way with humans, sharing their workspace, tools, and assisting them as capable partners in a cross-reality environment where physical elements get merged with the virtual world.